In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Windows 11 login password and lock screen. Before we start, a quick note. Only do this on a computer you fully control and trust, like your personal home PC. Removing the login password makes it easier to sign in, but it also means anyone with physical access to your computer can get into your files. If you're okay with that trade-off, let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're already signed in to the account you want to change. You'll need administrator rights for this to work properly. Now, click on the Start button on your taskbar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search box, type netplwiz as one word. You should see an app called netplwiz or User Accounts appear in the results. Go ahead and open that. A User Accounts window will pop up, showing a list of user accounts on your computer. Look for the account you use to sign in. If you're not sure which one it is, it's usually the one that's highlighted or marked as an administrator. Click on that account to select it. Near the top of this window, you'll see an option that says something like, "Users must enter a username and password to use this computer." By default, this box is checked. To disable the login password prompt, uncheck this box. As soon as you uncheck it, click the Apply button at the bottom right. A new window will appear asking you to confirm your current password. This is important because Windows needs to know which account will be signed in automatically. Type in your current password carefully in both the Password and Confirm Password fields. Double-check for any typos, then click OK. You'll be brought back to the User Accounts window. Click OK one more time to save everything and close it. At this point, the setting is active, but you won't see the change until you restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your PC. When it turns back on, it should skip the usual lock screen password prompt and sign you in automatically to the account you selected. If that works, you're done. If you ever want to turn the password prompt back on, just repeat the same process. Open netplwiz again, recheck that box for requiring a username and password, and apply the changes.